All right, here we go. We are on day 2 of item 9, page 15, numbers 7 through 12. At the counter, Jack ate a lunch of sandwiches. Quick reminder that up here we have our list of tricky preps of for with. Where was Jack? Jack was at the counter. And of is a tricky preposition. So of what? Of sandwiches. First word is a noun. Oh, silly me. First word's a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. All right, number 8. That boy goes with the girl in the red dress. With is one of my tricky prepositions. And which girl is it? It's the girl in the red dress. With the girl, first word's a preposition, last word's a noun. In what? Ask yourself. In dress. Anything in the middle is an adjective. The is describing the dress, and red is also describing the dress. Okay? Number 9, Grace read part of the book to the child. I see of, one of my tricky prepositions. Of what? Of book. And I see to that I always check. First word's a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. All right, and last one, number 10. That child races with one arm in a sling. So with is a tricky preposition. With what? With arm. And then in a sling is describing the child that's racing and describing the arm that's in a sling. Which arm are we talking about? The one in the sling. That's what a prepositional phrase does, you guys. It gives us more detail. Okay? All right. You are going to do numbers 11 and 12, and what I want you to write on the side is I want you to draw a smile, and then draw a little face, and then I want you to draw some curly hair. Okay, there you go. There's our clue that you did your homework and you're amazing. All right, see you tomorrow.